With me today is Governor William Kabogo of Kiambu County and Governor of Narok County, Honorable Samuel Tunai. Gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Thank you. You are in The Hague. Any of you can start. Tell our viewers why you are here today.
Of course, it's obvious. We are from Kenya and we have cases that are running here. Cases that we think they shouldn't be, because we should be busy developing our country. And we are here in solidarity with our brothers. Our leaders are here. And so if our leaders are here, we come here in solidarity with our leaders.
Governor?
I just want to say that we came last night all the way from Narok just to come and associate ourselves with our brother, His Excellency the Deputy President, whom we strongly believe that is here quite unfairly. We need him in Kenya to go and develop the country, and therefore we have just come to be with him to say that as a country, as Narok County, they miss him, and we wish him all the best here, and we pray God that he's going to come out of this matter.
Deputy President William Ruto and President Uhuru Kenyatta are being tried. Yes, we all know that. What is this trial doing to Kenya as a country?
Well, it's doing one of two things. One is we went through turmoil in 2008, or beginning of 2000, after the elections. And really, yes, people died and there were problems. But we have overcome these problems. Now the country is moving on. These cases here, what they are doing is opening old wounds, and we should be healing. We have forgiven each other and we have moved on, just like South Africa did. It moved on. It is a one united country now. We also want to tell Kenyans, this is the time now to move on. We cannot be worried about what happened so many years ago and continue lingering in our minds like we cannot move on.
Do you have the same opinion, Senator?
I agree.
I mean, Governor, sorry.
I totally agree. The only thing I want to add is whatever is happening here is not helping anything, because one, the communities which were believed to have conflicted in the 2007-2008 is the Kikuyu and the Kalenjin. African Union has taken a stand. They advised President Kenyatta and Deputy President Ruto to stop cooperating with the ICC. Can you make a short comment?
What we should be saying is the United Nations should listen to the call of Africa, because these problems are in Africa. And African problems can only be resolved by African people themselves. So we are saying they should heed the call of the African Union and allow that this thing should be done away with.
The way both of you are talking, I realize you have been following this case closely. What do you think it is leading to?
Well, you can see what is going on. People are coming here to give witness of what they did and what they did not do. They don't even seem to understand where it is they come from. So really, is this really true a fact-finding mission? Is it a justice-finding mission, or is a hunting mission? To me, it looks like a hunting mission.
At the same time, the prosecution here is saying they are here for the interest of the victims. I want to say, right now, through the initiative of our government, the IDPs have moved back. The people who were initially displaced have gone back and settled in their farms.
Let me get a short comment because of this rain disturbing us on devolution. The governors and senators are all the time in loggerheads. Tell our viewers, what is this loggerhead doing to devolution?
First and foremost, you need to understand that devolution is a very new thing. Like any other place in the world, when politics change to a new system of government, there are bound to be hiccups here and there. What we should be saying, what keeps us together is stronger, or it's more than what divides us. And we shall navigate our way out of these problems.
And has always been put before even by His Excellency the President, devolution is not a choice. It is in the Constitution. And all the government is doing, and the county government, is to see how they can work together so that devolution succeeds.
In your Governor Kabogo,
yes.
In your Kiambu County, there
Yes.
has been controversy
Yes.
on spending.
Yes.
Have you cured the problem?
I'm not aware of the problem. If it is the problem that it comes in press, I don't believe in what comes in press. We have no problems in spending in Kiambu. We just got 1 month of money now. We've been in money for the last, I think, 40 days. That's when we got our first installment. So really, it's neither here nor there.
Okay, then let us jump over. There has been chaos in the judiciary of late. The sacking of Chief Registrar Boshole. What is your take on this, both of you? Is it tainting the nation?
I think it is not really tainting the nation. It's a little bit messy in terms of the judiciary as an arm of government. But they should be left alone to do what it is that they know. Because if I comment, I will be commenting with ignorance because I'm not really sure what it is that has happened in there. But if really a whole body has sat and decided that she should go, probably they should have just sat and deliberated on it more, or even given an inquiry or something. But I am not sure what it is that has happened. So really, I will not be able to comment honestly.
Any comment?
I will say, yes, it's messy, but I think due process should be allowed to establish really the facts.
Do you
which we
think?
don't know.
Do you think JSC should be disbanded? In short.
It is difficult to say why they would be disbanded, but if what is coming in the press is true, then there is more than meets the eye.
Okay, finally, not finally actually, I will have one last question for you, but one general question to both of you. Recently, in the court here in the ICC, some leaders in Kenya like Martha Karua, lawyers Njenga Mwangi, Iringo, PS, have been mentioned, among other people, that they were taxed with a job to fix Deputy President Ruto.
You're a learned man. When we speak about something that is going on in court, it is sub judice, one way or the other.
Agreed.
So I would reserve to comment on something that I think is sub judice in nature.
Finally, I will ask you one question, Governor from Kiambu. Can you tell our viewers something about the controversy you found yourself in sometimes back? The university student who died, Miss Kaina.
I didn't find myself...
You are one of those blamed of her death, but you still got elected as governor.
Yes, I did.
There must be something here. What is happening?
What is here is that, you know, you people of the fourth estate, the things that you put in media are not the things that really happen. If I happen to be in a pub somewhere, like where you have just found me, and you went and got knocked by a vehicle now, would I be blamed for what it is that you have gone through? It's just unfortunate that that girl died, and you've been following. This matter is under inquiry. So anyone who has information about what would have happened to her, other than the purported accident, then they should come forward. And
what can you say to the family?
It is unfortunate. I've been saying this for a long time. It's very sad for them to lose a girl at that young age of 24 or 25. But I'm also saying people must drink responsibly.
Thank you, Governor, for allowing me this interview.